Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on calls, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, come here to hit for Phonebook contacts, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.